Okay, I promised you to tell everything, like the category list will be here. Now, there is home, about, simple, post, and many other things. Now, I want to have the category list here. How we can have. But before that, let's see the base.html. In base.html, we have a part here, navigation. Okay, this navigation or nav is the same thing which we have here. Okay, here we have some buttons like home, about, and these are repeated button. I deleted all of them and I want to have only one thing, only one button. I want to have the URL. In the URL I have blog/home, and this is home. So the blog is the app name and the home is the route name or the path name. Let's see here. The blog is the app name and this is the home. When I click on this button, it should redirect me to, well, home page. Let's see. Okay, here is only home. When I click it, it will show me this part. Or for example, let's see in article 1. When I click on this, it will redirect me to this page. Okay, it's well and fine. Now let's see how we can have the, well, categories. From the model, we have in the model the categories, and how to take this in the view and how can we use this. Well, along with article, I want to have the category, and well, I want to have the category here. Like the categories will be categories, category dot objects dot filter. The same thing like, well, we had in view and articles. Okay, it should be like true, well, and clean. Well, we have the categories here. Now when I have gotten the categories from the, well, from the model, now we use this here in category part. Okay, I want to, well, copy this. I want to have a for loop here for cat and category. Okay, and for I have the same thing. Well, here should be the cat dot title, but here we do not have any route now. Let's have this hash for now at least. Okay, let's see all the categories are here or not. When I refresh, see all the categories are here, like Windows, Linux, computer, well, science, and everything. But see in the corner here will be the hash instead of any link. We do not have any link now. So now we use this in some other places as well. Okay, now how can we use this, like here for this article? For example, this second article has 3 categories, or this also has some categories. Now how can we use here as well? What will be here in home? We have, like, in home here we have this publish, and after this div I want to have a for loop for cat and category dot, no, every article has a category, article dot category dot all. Okay, we have here all the categories of this article. For example, why is like that? I want to have the end for here I want to have the logic. Again here I want to have the hash, cat dot title. So the logic here actually it is like for cat and article dot category dot all, because every article has some categories. Okay, so I want to take all the categories of that specific article. So for that I just take the title and I show the title here. Okay, let's see how either it provides me like that or not. See, but before that let me show you something else here. Like I want to put some hash. Okay, when I refresh, see, science, Linux, well, computer, Linux, Windows, all the categories are shown here for each article. But now when I click on any of them, it doesn't show anything. Only we can see the list of categories here. For example, let's see, I have this second article. So you just see here all the categories are here. When I click on the second article, you just see one button, only home button. You do not see any other buttons or any other category here. How we can solve this? There are two ways for solving this. Number one, we just copy this part and add it here. Let's refresh. It works fine now. But one problem we can see here. For example, I have 100, well, thousands of views or hundreds of views. So I must copy and paste for each view this part. This is, I think this is very weird and it cannot be very well and a good practice as well. So what is another way? The other way to have this clean and very nice, so we have to use template tag. So template tags are very important, and I'll explain the template tag, and I use the template tag in the next videos. So I think the second option is nice, using the template tag, but here it also works, but well, we will face some issues later when we have more views, like for example 50 or 100 views. When we have to paste for everything, for every one of them. Okay, in the next video we will talk about the template tags and we use that.